Hey guys, what's up? It's Sam. It is currently only like, I think it's 5 in the morning right now. It's 5:01. I am right about to leave for college. I'm going to be a freshman at Indiana University and I'm so excited, but I also did literally just cry, so we'll see how this goes. I'm just about ready to leave. I just came upstairs to make sure that everything was all good, but like my room is like empty now. And it's kind of sad, honestly. And like even all my drawers and like my closet's all empty and there's just nothing here anymore. And it's kind of really sad. But yeah, I think I'm gonna sleep though, like really soon. I'm like very tired right now because I went to bed at like 3 o'clock last night. I had to freaking spray tan and shave. Like I'm so annoying. So, you know, oh, it got really dark. Okay, so the car is all packed up. Well, there's 2 cars that are all packed up and we're about to leave. Okay, so we just got here. We're like right about to pull up to my dorm now. I don't know how much time I'll have to like unload stuff, so I figured I would just update you guys now. But this is my dorm. Well, one of somewhere. This general area, like that maybe? I don't really know. So yes. Oh yeah. So I just checked in and I got my room number. I haven't seen it yet, but I'm really excited. I would say we're unloading, but it's kind of like my dad's unloading right now.
Nope, you're in the other one.
Uh oh.
There we go. Woohoo!
What? Did you already order?
No.
Okay, so there's like this random fridge and microwave in here that we didn't order, and it's like, thank you for ordering.
Down and tell them.
Okay. But yeah, this is my room. It looks different than I thought it would, but like I don't know what I thought it looked like. Okay, so I didn't really get any footage of me moving stuff in physically other than like the first set I did. We only wound up doing it I think like 3 or 4 times, but basically there was a 15-minute time limit per vehicle. So I, number one, didn't want to be rude, but number 2, I didn't want my dad to like get a ticket or something. So we had to hurry up and move everything in pretty quickly, and then we had to park somewhere else. But also my sister was also moving into her apartment, and her apartment's on the 4th floor and there's not an elevator, there's only stairs. So my sister and my mom had to like move everything up the stairs, so we had to hurry up in order to help them because it was genuinely so exhausting. So that's sort of why I didn't really film it. Also, it probably would have been really boring. Okay, so I just got done moving into my dorm, like putting everything in there. Nothing is like organized yet. I didn't really take anything out of the box. But we're going to my sister's dorm because she also goes to IU, and she got like an apartment style dorm this year or whatever. It's in sort of a different area, but basically she's on the 4th floor and there isn't an elevator, so yeah, it's probably pretty rough to move in.
Oh, there they are.
Oh, there they are. Okay, so we're at Olive Garden now. I totally didn't vlog like a whole chunk of the day just because I kind of felt like dying. So, but I'm with my family right now. We're about to go into Olive Garden. Hi. Dad.
Yeah.
This is Chrissy. Okay. We're eating in Olive Garden, right? But literally they brought out like freaking Alfredo sauce for our breadsticks. Like, that's literally the best thing ever. It's the best combo. It's really, really good. Okay, so it's been a couple days since I've moved in and I'm editing this video now, and I just realized I didn't really film an ending to it. So I will sort of kind of update you guys on everything right now, you know? Okay, so the reason why I didn't really film an ending is because kind of nothing happened right after that. Basically, like I mentioned earlier in the video, I was on 1 hour sleep and I didn't sleep at all prior to that, so I was very tired. And I was just like moving everything in, which was a lot of work. Also, I had really bad cramps. Like, it was just kind of like a miserable day, which sucks because it was like my move-in day and it was kind of miserable, you know? But I'm doing so much better now. College has been so much fun, so we're all good. I am going to do like a full-on dorm tour and just kind of everything like that. But, you know, like I said, right after my parents left, I just had like a nap, but like I cried in the middle of my nap. Like, it was rough. Like, it was rough, not gonna lie. So it was nothing anyone would want to see, you know? It's fine. But I'm all good now. We Gucci, we tight. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and do not forget to subscribe down below if you guys want more college videos. I have a lot coming up. I'm very excited. So bye you. Oh my god, I'm so annoying.